it's because of the friendship with England. England gifted one cruise ship to us with the name of QE2, which is placed on the far down on the strait. There is a white color cruise ship as a mark of friendship with England. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, what we done with that cruise ship from 8 years, we done that cruise ship into a form of, we converted that cruise ship into a big 5-star floating hotel. So it's a 5-star floating hotel on the right side of the far down. And behind the construction site you can see that cruise ship, but this construction site it ruined our pictures, so you can't see those pictures very clearly, but you can see some name is printed over there with the name of Queen Elizabeth II. So you're going to see after the construction site the bold letters on the cruise ship, Queen Elizabeth II. Move your neck right, a little bit more right after the construction. On the right side, move your neck right and more right. Can you see some glimpse of the top of the cruise ship? It is there, but it's not visible very clearly, guys. As we approach further down, we're going to be seeing the two boat-like structures coming on the way. There's a Dubai Customs building, and the garden in the front is looking like a wave, up down, up down. So boat into the sea, Dubai Customs building. Along with the cruise ships, we have cargo ships here. These cargo ships, they have to pass through the custom duty. So custom duty office here, government of Dubai, and the garden in the front is looking like a wave, up down, up down. So brought into the sea. That's how they want to give the structure here. I shown you the old gold market through a drive-through basis. On the left side there is a new gold market. On the left side, it looks like an apartment here. Can you see this? Blue and golden color window-like structure. It's not so famous, guys. Why? Because after the pandemic, most of the shops are closed. So it's mainly a residential apartment right now. Now, once we proceed further down, you will find it out. We are heading towards the Jumeirah area. Jumeirah meaning is beautiful. So once we go to the beautiful area, we will be seeing the Jumeirah 1, 2, 3. Jumeirah 1, we have local villas and bungalows. Jumeirah 2, we have 500 meter, and every 500 meter there is a mosque. After that, Jumeirah 3, on the Jumeirah 2 and Jumeirah 3 border, we will take a break at one of the Islamic Art Center. 20 minutes. After that, 10 minutes away from there, there is a beach, Jumeirah Beach. After that, 7 beach palaces, Palm Jumeirah, and we will go at the tip and the ring-like body to see Atlantis Hotel and back to Dubai. Guys, once we go to the Jumeirah area, there won't be any high-rise building. Only 2-floor villa, bungalows, shopping centers there. Okay, why no high-rise building? There is a reason. Because locals want to live on that place where they can't share the privacy with others. They are dealing with their own privacy. Got it? No disturbance. So they are not living in the apartments. They always invest in the apartments. Clear to everyone? So once we go there, no high-rise building, only villas and bungalows. So let's take a right side on the 2nd December street. Why 2nd December? Because 2nd December this country formed. Okay, 2nd December 1971 this country formed. So 2nd December is their Union Day. So 2nd December street. Straight down there is a flagpole there. Near the flagpole, all the 7 kingdoms being set together and form this country with the name of UAE. Once we approach further down, we're going to be seeing, guys, we will be taking a left turn and straight away to Jumeirah Road. There is an aerodynamic structure on the right side. Can you see this aerodynamic structure look like a spaceship? Yes, right side of the flagpole. Anyone can see that? Right side of the flagpole. So this look like a spaceship. If you look it carefully, it doesn't look like a spaceship.